Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we learned about topo sheets, uses of topo sheets, and features of topo sheets. Layout and numbering of topo sheet. Observe the map. This map consists of so many squares. This square box is called topo sheet. Topo sheet represent different scales and different number. Example 45, 54, 63, 73. This number is called index number. The scale of this map is 1:10 lakh. So it is also known as million sheet. Each million sheet covering 4-degree latitudinal and 4-degree longitudinal extent. The number of topo sheets denotes the area which it represents. For example, the number of the given topo sheet is 45D by 10. This number denotes certain parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Let's see how can we find out these places. First, we find where the number 45. Yes, this is the topo sheet number 45. First, this sheet is separated from the whole map. This is topo sheet number 45. This sheet covering 4-degree latitudinal extent and 4-degree longitudinal extent. That is in between 72 and 76 latitudes and 24 to 28 longitudes. That is 4-degree difference between latitude and longitude. These sheets are prepared in 1:10 lakh. So it is also known as million sheet. This million sheet is divided into 16 parts in the order A, B, C, D up to P. Each of these sheets with 1-degree latitudinal and longitudinal extent is prepared in 1:250,000 scale. The difference between each sheet is 1 degree. So this sheet is also known as degree sheet. After writing alphabetical order, it can be read it as 45A, 45B, 45C, 45D, 45E, 45F, 45G, 45H, 45I, 45J, 45K, 45L, 45M, 45N, 45O and 45P. Our question is 45D by 10. Where is 45D? Yes, this is 45D. Then 45D is separated from degree sheet. This is topo sheet number 45D. Again, this sheet is divided into 16 parts. 1 degree is equal to 16 minutes. Here, each degree sheet has 50 minutes for latitudinal and longitudinal extent and are numbered as 1, 2, 3 up to 16. These sheets are prepared as 1:50,000 scale. Our question is 45D by 10. After giving number, it read as 45D by 1, 45D by 2, 45D by 3, 45D by 4, 45D by 6, 45D by 7, 45D by 8, 45D by 9, 45D by 10, 45D by 11, 45D by 12, 45D by 13, 45D by 4, 45D by 15, 45D by 16. Our question is 45D by 10. This is the 45D by 10. This is how we find out 45D by 10 represents the parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan.